fire pit, and we are really happy with it, aren't we?
Yeah, really chuffed.
It's been some good dream work. And what does dream work?
Oh no.
And as you can see, perfect height for cooking. And I've got brown sauce and mustard. If you've never had brown sauce and mustard together, you've got to go for it. It's amazing. Well, hi there guys, and welcome, and thank you for joining me. And as you can see, I'm back out, and it has been a while. And today I'm out with my wife Claire.
Hello, welcome back.
And we're out at our Bushcraft base camp. We're out with our dog Bramble, who's just there enjoying a stick. And we've come out today because we've got a bit of a project in mind. And what we're going to do, what our aim is for today, is to build a raised fire pit below our canopy, just in this sort of area. And what we want is, well, as I've just mentioned, a raised fire pit. And that's going to be for a number of reasons. One, sometimes we don't need a big fire for cooking. Two, with it being raised, it's going to be a little bit more comfortable for working around and keep a fire a lot smaller. So we're going to use less resources from the woodland because it is limited. It's not a never-ending supply. So there's a few reasons why we want to build this. So what we're going to do now is crack on. We've already been and collected some rocks, haven't we?
Yeah.
As you can see behind Claire, there's some belters over there, and we've got some more here. And obviously we've got a stream just behind me there. The stream, obviously, as we know, we do not put them where there's heat because they will explode. But some of the ones out the stream may do for the lower parts of this raised fire pit. So we'll see how we get on. Right, let's get a rough idea of where we're going to put this fire and what sort of shape. You think maybe it's about from there, like there, and maybe what do we go?
Yeah.
You reckon about that? You reckon that might be too big? Dig a little bit of the soil in that out,
Yeah.
so we can sit them in a little bit, and then we'll start building up. That's pretty much the shape of it, isn't it? Think that one might go there? And then get like a small rock, go down there. That go in there, won't it?
Yeah.
And get some more soil.
We put all the
Tip it
soil
in.
on there now.
Yeah.
Where's the dog?
She's in the batch here.
Oh.
Next we'll shut into the gaps. Now we just need to go this side up, go away a bit more, and then start levelling it out. Finding some flatter rocks and some rocks that we can like start putting ones that can withstand the heat now for. Right then guys, just a quick update on the fire pit. It's coming along really well. We've put this mesh there. That's just going to be our cooking platform. I've just got another one of these road pins to bring over. But the fire pit itself's looking really good. It's good and solid. But we'll kick that one in a bit. It's good and solid. We're going to wrap up for the day and come back in the morning and finish off. Got a few little things there, little tweaks that we want to do with it. And we're a bit tired right now, fetching and carrying rocks and up and down and climbing about. As you can see, the terrain is a bit tough going. Claire's just sat there enjoying a can. We're just enjoying a beer before we head out. But yeah, we'll bring you back in the morning when we come back here, finish off and have our first bird. What are you doing? Our Bramble's just trying to get our attention, and we've came back out again this morning to complete the build on our raised fire pit. Oh. Here she is. You little tinker. Yeah, we've come out today to complete the build on our raised fire pit, and it's been a really good team effort, and it's all sound and solid. And as you can see, perfect height for cooking. We've just got this bit of mesh to cut down, and then that's that. We'll do that next week. I'll bring a grinder with me next week, and we'll just cut this bit of mesh down, and we've got a piece there perfect for this. Mm-hmm. What we'll do now, we're going to get a fire lit, get our first burn, going to go first brew made on here, and get something made to eat there.
Yeah, some nice sausage.
Some nice sausages. Right, before we light the fire, I'll just show you what we've got here to work with. This is going to be the main area where we have the fire, and this raised bit here, what we'll do, we'll use that area for keeping food warm and cooking from indirect heat. And then we've left a little gap below that, so the heat can go underneath it, heat this rock up, and we can possibly use that rock for cooking things like steaks and things like that, but we'll see how that works out. So for the time being, we're just going to get the fire going and get some food and stuff on the go. Well, there we go. That's our first burn on the raised fire pit, and our first bit of food that we've made on there, and our first brew. Cheers.
Cheers.
You cannot beat a brew in the woods. And we've got a nice bacon and sausage sarnie, proper pork and leek, proper butcher's pork and leek sausages. Claire's got brown sauce, and I've got brown sauce and mustard. If you've never had brown sauce and mustard together, you've got to go for it. It's amazing. That really is good. Right, we're gonna just enjoy a bit of time in the woods now. Just enjoy this and a brew, and just enjoy a little bit of time of relaxing, because it's been a pretty hard work project, hasn't it?
Yeah, definitely.
We were absolutely shattered last night. But yeah, if you're new around here, hit that subscribe button. Don't forget to give a thumbs up, and we'll look forward to hearing you in the comments, and we'll say bye for now, and as always, stay safe, and we'll see you on the next one.
Bye for now.